About 6 months after surgery with a new knee and tendon, it took about 6 months before I started running again. Coming to physical therapy at Dr. Stone's clinic, great physical therapist, and once I started running, within a short period of time, built up my mileage up to 30 miles to 35 miles a week, and not fast. But it was a run, it wasn't a jog, it wasn't a walk. You're running around 11-minute miles on average. I'm trying to break 10-minute miles. I haven't I've accomplished that a few times on a rare occasion. My PR is averaging between 9 and 10-minute miles for 6 miles, breaking an hour for 6 miles. But consistently running 30 to 35 every week for the last 3 years, and I'm hoping to up the mileage. That's what I'm here for today, to find out what I can do, and that's a go. So averaging 30 miles a week for 3 years with a total knee replacement and a tendon graft. Now I'm ready to go maybe a little bit more. I'm hoping to hit 40 miles a week in a couple, 2 or 3 weeks. We'll give it a try, and hopefully I can run a little faster too.